I would like to pay my sincere regard to and bow my heads in front of Sri Sadguru Pratap Singh Ji, Sri Sadguru Jagdish Singh Ji, and Sri Sadguru Uday Singh Ji. My name is Tarlochhan Singh Matharu. My village is, and Shri Behni Sahab, my birthplace is also the same. Of course, nowadays we are working in Ludhiana. Regarding this hospital, I am attached with this hospital since its inception. In the start, when the land was ready for the construction of the building, I remember there was a small meeting in that area, in the ground. And Sri Sadguru Jagdish Singh Ji was seated here, and the planning was being done that what we should do over here. So a lot of suggestions were coming. Somebody is saying market is being made. Somebody is saying you make a mall over here. Sri Sadguru Ji later laughed and said, no, nothing. We will open a world-class hospital over here, which will help humanity of the people. So he was adamant and he was very interested to make this hospitals, and this building was made fully with the world-class architects. Building was made, then the machinery was brought here of the A-class machinery. I would like to say there was no comparison of the machinery which has been arranged over here. And since it is running, after that also, after Sri Sadguru Jagdish Singh Ji pay a lot of regard to Sadguru Pratap Singh Ji, so that's why its name is Sri Sadguru Pratap Singh Hospital, SPS Hospital. Here the treatment is being done very good, and the cost of the treatment is very less comparatively to the other hospitals which I have observed. Recently, I have a treatment by Dr. Harmandeep, who is Orthopaedics, and he replaced my both knees, which has been done very successfully. And of course, little bit problems comes in the right knee, but sometimes comes little problems, but that was also handled very technically and carefully. And nowadays, today I am in a perfect condition. I am highly thankful to Dr. Harmandeep. In this regard, while doing the treatment, some other doctors like Dr. Bhatia and others, they also helped jointly, so I am thankful to them also. Moreover, the staff of here, I have observed it, they are very cooperative, very sincere, and time to time all the staffs are getting a good training over here. So moreover, the cleanliness is the major requirement over here. I have seen such a beautiful cleaning, no other in hospitals which is being maintained here. So I got one operation few years back in somewhere in Chandigarh. So when I entered into the operation theatre, so I was afraid of, because that cleaning theatre was not clean. So, but comparatively, if you notice over here, lot of changes you will find. So finally, I would say I am thankful to the management of SPS Hospital, to Guruji, and to the staff of the SPS Hospital, and as well as to the doctors who has treated me very carefully and very tactfully. I have seen that Harman, when he is working, I have seen his working. He's worked so nicely, so quickly, so technically that is, I can't explain, that is fantastic. So once again, I say thanks to everybody. Thank you very much.